Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how we can fix the issues if your Minka Aire fan remote is not working. So first, what you can try to do, turn off all the switches in the house controlling the fan. Then you want to go to the circuit breaker box and turn off the breaker for the fan you're trying to program. So this is another thing. The next thing, ensure the remote has the unique code set correctly. Then you want to turn the power back on the circuit breaker and flip the light switch back on. So these are the things you can do. And reset the remote. Press and hold the stop button on the remote for 3 seconds. So we want to press and hold the stop button for the remote for 3 seconds. And this action should reset the remote and get it working again. And if needed, press and hold the stop button again for another 3 seconds. So that's something you can try to do, and maybe it's going to fix the issues for you. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you. Have a great day and goodbye. And here it is, what you can do. So turn off all the switches, turn off the breaker for the fan, and also press and hold the stop button for the remote for 3 seconds, and some of it should help.